Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sync CapCut phone to PC. So if you want to edit your CapCut mobile projects on your PC instantly, in this expert guide, I'll show you exactly how you can sync your CapCut app from phone to desktop. So I'm going to show you the right way with the latest 2025 update. So CapCut is awesome on mobile, but editing on a bigger screen gives you more control, better visibility, and faster precisions. But syncing doesn't work automatically unless you know how you can set it up right. So here's how you can sync your CapCut projects across devices using the 2025 method. First up, you can sign in with the same CapCut account. So open your CapCut on your phone and make sure you already sign in using your TikTok or CapCut or maybe Facebook or your email. And after that, here you can go to the edit page in here and then tap on the project that you want to edit on the PC. Click on the three dots icon and then here click on upload to space. And if you have more than one space like I do here, you can just choose the space and tap on select. And here, as you guys can see, the projects will be uploaded to your space. You can just click on the space options in here to see the progress. So after you upload the project, you can go to CapCut.com or use the CapCut desktop app. And don't forget to log in with the same account you use on your phone. So on the PC, you can just go to your space on CapCut or the Cloud Projects tab, and you'll see your uploaded project, and you can just click to open and continue editing on your PC. So if your project doesn't show up, you can try these fixes. Make sure you're using the same account on both devices. Wait a moment because syncing might take a few seconds. And don't forget to check your internet connections because uploads need to finish. And lastly, you need to make sure that the CapCut app is updated on both devices. So if cloud syncing isn't working, you can export your mobile projects as a video and then import it to CapCut PC manually. And that's how you can sync your CapCut phone projects to your PC like a pro. If this helps, smash that like button, subscribe for more editing tips, and also click on the thanks button. I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye.